Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla Ascent. Stock reference number 4992. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 10th month 2013. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand guard, appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door has 2 dents. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.